Today I want to show you the back pedal. The back pedal is a combination of the reverse figure eight and the uppercut. To watch these videos you can find links in the description or in the little eye in the top right hand corner. So we're going to start off in a right foot forward 45 strike position. We're then going to do a reverse figure eight on the left side, then on the right side, and then at this point we're going to stop when our right hand is by our right hip, and we are instead going to step back with the right foot into a lady stance, bring the right hand up into an uppercut. Once you get a hang of the motions, you're not going to want to wait until the last second to step back. Instead, you're going to want to do it as you're doing the figure eight. That way you'll have enough time to get into your lady stance. So again, we start from our 45 strike position. We do a reverse figure eight on the left, on the right, step back, uppercut. Thanks for watching the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have a question or want to see something specific, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.